Hi, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and today I'm going to take a look at this month's Darn Good Yarn box. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi, thank you so much for joining me on my channel today. Today we're going to take a look at these Darn Good Yarn boxes. Now, I do know that both of these boxes have the same items inside of them, so we're going to take a look at just one box instead of both today. Alright, so let's go ahead and dig right in. Open it up. Alright. So here is the box. Now, this is the little pamphlet telling you a little bit more about it, which we'll open that up and take a look at it here shortly. But first, let's take a look at the yarn. So this is the yarn that you get in this month's box, which is a very pretty blue. It is also a very lightweight yarn. Okay, this is a sport weight linen yarn. It's a 2-ply yarn, and the colorway is called Cadet Blue. Okay, and for this yarn, they recommend a 3.25 to a 3.75 millimeter needle, or a 3.5 to 4.5 millimeter hook. 4.5 seems like it'd be awfully big for a sport weight, but I guess it all depends on what you're making. This is 100% linen, and it is hand wash only. Okay, so it's actually very nice yarn. It's not super soft. It's not the softest yarn, not at all. But I understand that linen is not that soft. So let's go ahead and take a look at the pamphlet and see a little bit more about this yarn, if it tells me here. Okay, so here's the pamphlet. It tells you a little bit more about the company and what they stand for. And then this month's yarn, it shows a picture of it, and it's a sport weight linen 2-ply yarn in Cadet Blue. It is 175 yards. It also shows you the mystery gift, which we'll look at that in here in just a minute. It tells you a little bit more about Yarn Club exclusives if you're in the Yarn Club. And it tells you a little bit more about the yarn itself, that it was handmade in India, and gives you some more information about that. So I'm not going to show you the pattern itself, but the pattern here, it's for a little bag. That's the knit pattern. And then the crochet pattern, which is super cute. I think it'll make a great little over-the-shoulder purse. You know, across the body you can wear it, but that's a little purse, and you can wear it across the body. I think that's a super cute pattern. I really like it. Okay, and that's your crochet pattern. So that's what you get in the booklet. I love that they tell you a lot more about their company and what they stand for. Here is the little extra that you get in the box this month. Okay, so it's a nice 3-tiered tassel. I think this is super cute. I'm going to add it to my other tassel that I have on one of my bags. So I love that. So what do I think about this box this month? You know, I have honestly never used a linen yarn before. So with that being said, I will probably keep both of my boxes this month because I do not have any linen yarn, and I think that that over-the-shoulder bag is super cute, so I might make a couple of those. Now, as far as the value of this box compared to what you pay for, the last I saw that their boxes are right around $20, and then you pay, I think, about $4 shipping and handling. One thing that you need to understand with the Darn Good Yarn boxes, now if you're looking at just volume of yarn and stuff like that, then you may not feel like these boxes are worth it. But what I want to help you understand is that these boxes, these are high-end yarns that you're getting. So that's where the value is in these boxes. I have always either gotten silk, or in this case, this is the first time I've got something other than silk, and this is linen. I would never get a high-end yarn. And then of course you get a little something extra. So on a personal level, I tend to not buy high-end yarn. So I love getting these so I can check out a high-end yarn just in case one of these days I want to buy a silk yarn to make something super special for somebody that I love or for myself. So that's where I find the value in these. And also I love that these boxes go to help support what DarGood Yarn does. Which DarGood Yarn is supporting, you know, women in countries where income is more difficult, helping to support them and keeping them and, you know, with an income. So that's always nice. I love that about DarGood Yarn. And they just seem like just great people. Every time I've dealt with them, they've been super kind, and they just seem to be great people. So that is how I feel about the DarGood Yarn box. And if you enjoy videos like this or other videos such as yarn hauls, crochet product reviews, or even tutorials, then, and they're usually quick and easy tutorials, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget the bell so you're reminded every time I put out a new video. If you found value in this video, please don't forget to hit that like button. I really do appreciate it. And I want to thank you all so much for joining me today and watching this video. Just a couple of quick reminders. Every Saturday I'm live at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so please feel free to come and join me. I would love to see you. And every Saturday night I'm live with my girls, the Yarn Hookers. Now my live show is always on my channel. However, the Yarn Hookers live show may be on one of my friends' channels. So make sure you go down and follow us all. It's down in the description. It's down in the description box down below. You will see the heading Yarn Hookers, and follow each of those ladies so that you never miss a live chat. They are always loads of fun. So again, thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate each and every one of you. You have a great day. Bye bye.